Hey guys, showing you this wireless light bulb security camera. So this is a very easy setup. You can use it in the light bulb just to have it installed, so no much installation of the wire and thing necessary. So here is the bulb type camera, and then this also comes with this socket. So if you don't want to use it with the bulb, you can use it also directly with the electric plug. So say this electric socket, so that you can just put in here, and now you can also use it directly with the electric plug. So I will just show you the installation thing, and this also have the speaker, the mic and everything here, and this also have a micro SD card slot, and I will show you that. This is a manual, this describe the whole process, and then also the things how we can use. So I'm just showing you the quality and things here. So this is the slot for the micro SD card and the reset button here that you can use. So this will also do a local storage for your videos that you can access. So I'm just going to install the app. So here is the app, Cloud Edge, and then you can install this app. So the process will be straightforward. Once it's installed, you can add the device. So registration, login, once you will add this and start this camera. So I will just use the electric plug for now to show you the installation thing. So in the initial starting, and this will now show like the camera here. You have to choose the camera. So all the instructions are provided in the manual, but I will still show you here. So this will search, and we can have the camera here. So just install this camera. This will search, add. You have to choose the right one. So the QR code to scan. So this will take some time, and once this is installed, you will see like the connected and stuff. So I will just show you the camera here. This will just start looking around, so this can rotate. So as a good rotation that I will show you, and then there is an intercom mic and the speaker and everything that you can do. So see, you can do even the rotation through the app, and this can also detect the motion and everything. So nice security camera.